Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Khushbu and today we are going to talk about two things. Firstly, Coursera is providing free courses to all the Indians but that have a deadline. And secondly, how as a student you can get free courses using your student email ID. So let's get started. So there are a lot of courses on Coursera that are free and some are paid. And if you want to get a certificate, you need to have a paid version. But in this difficult time, Coursera has launched an offer for all the Indians that they can get any course for free till 30th June. On Coursera, you can get certified courses by Google, University of Michigan, Stanford. So as you can see, this is the Coursera platform and here we can join for free. And here is the tab for college students. So firstly, let's see about the Indian part. So this is the thing. Free courses for learners in India. So they are providing free courses that are valid through 30 June. So today is May, so it is valid till 30 June 2021. And how you can apply this course, you can just log in with your email ID, select any course, it will check your location and then you will get that course for free. So this is the first thing. Second thing I was telling you about, if you go to the for college student tab, you can see that you if you enter your college email ID or address, you can get the Coursera free courses. I have that plan from past 1 year, so let me show you. So as you can see, welcome to Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology Coursera for campus basic plan. So this is my email ID and my college have provided me this. So you can see, hello Khushbu, your organization have sponsored this program for you and these are the content types I can actually sign up for free. So these are the guided projects, courses, specializations and professional certificates. If I want to get any course that are listed in these 4 types, then I can get it for free. So a lot of universities give this pack to you, and if you are not sure that if your university provide it or not, you can actually go to college students and actually fill your email ID here and you will get to know if your university is a part of program or not. And even if your university is not part of program, Coursera provide every student free courses and 1 guided project. So in 1 year, you can take up 1 free course and unlimited guided projects. 1 free course means you will get certificate of 1, and obviously on Coursera you can take as many courses as you want, but you have to pay to get the certificate. So that's the full thing. Okay, but certificates as usual, they don't matter. The only thing that will matter is what you gain from that course. So that's completely fine. So these are the things that I wanted to tell you all today. A lot of colleges provide you with campus basic plan in which you can get free access to everything. Like my college too, and BIT Mirza and some of the IITs. And I'm sure you are going to say that we don't have a college email ID maybe. So first of all, college email IDs look something like this, and if you don't have one, most of the colleges provide a email ID for all the students. So if you don't have one, you should actually talk to your dean and they will provide you a solution. So I hope you all the best and I will see you all super soon.